bags, 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 bags. Coco's room started as soon as we reached the property. Look how crazy he's going. It's his first villa trip. That's Dave. He's gone out. हमारा Blinkit का order आ चुका है. Anyways, look at the weather, guys. It's raining in Lonavala. It's become so chilled and cold. मौसम बहुत प्यारा हो चुका है. Anyways, without any further ado, let me just quickly get started with the video because मैंने अभी तक जिला का tour दिया नहीं. I was so busy the entire day. First day जब हम लोग आए हम लोग सो गए थे because we were very tired also because now there's a lot of responsibility. I am a mom of a beautiful daughter, तो मुझे उसका भी ध्यान रखना पड़ता है. So I thought कि हम लोग next day से चालू करेंगे. Today also was very tiring, बहुत मज़ा किया. I thought let's just spend some quality time because I think after pregnancy this is my first outing and I wanted to have a quality time with my family. So जो मैंने किया and now that I'm free, Brianna is sleeping happily. So I just thought this is the best time कि फटाफट शीट करके विला का tour दिखा दूँ. So yeah, right now we are at Lonavala and we are in this property and the property's name is Dostel. So this property is actually मेरे भाई के friend का है. I know him. We studied in the same school. So yeah, it's Pritam Bhai ka property. It's really nice. Let me just quickly show you the tour. It's a 3 BHK villa. I'm so sorry. It's a 3 BHK villa. It's pet friendly and so much in budget, guys. So without doing any more padba, let's just quickly get started with the video and give you room or villa tour. So yeah, ये है entrance. यहाँ से हम enter होंगे. Okay, this is a small sitting area, nothing fancy over here. Sitting area है and let's get started with the first room. This is the first room. Hi Dave, hi Dad. Hi Coco. This room is quite huge. If you see, यहाँ पे एक बेड है, 2 बेड है. This is how it looks and you must be guessing ये कितना compact room है, ये ऐसा क्यों है. So yeah, Dave, I think you might want to show them. This is a projector room. So ये रहा projector. ये जो light दिख रहा है आपको छोटा सा, yeah. And ये है वो बड़ा सा area. I don't know what it's called.
White screen, projector screen.
हाँ.
It's Amazon Prime, Z5, Sony Live. You name it, you have it.
Wow, amazing. So आपका खुद का personal home theater ये बन सकता है. आराम से get your popcorn, your snacks, your juices, mocktails, whatever you want. यहाँ पे बैठो, chill करो.
And you got double beds, so yes, आराम से 4 to 5, 6 people can
आराम से, yeah. And also one more best thing, यहाँ से सीधा you get connected to the swimming pool. यहाँ से आप सीधा connect हो जाओगे swimming pool को. Yep. And it's raining heavily. Anyway, so this is the first room. Let's quickly go up and check out the second room.
Oh, Coco is again out. Coco, come inside. Coco बारिश में कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, वो चले जाता है. Anyways, so yeah, अब हम ऊपर जाएंगे स्टेज से. Coco को पहले जाना है. So yeah, Coco lead us. चलो चलो.
So this is the drawing room जो बहुत सारे लोग कहते हैं, हम कहते हैं इसे hall room. ये है hall room. That's my mom. She's not keeping well, but she is taking care of Brianna. That's Brianna finally sleeping. Okay, so yeah, ये है hall room. That's the sofa. This is how it looks like. TV again यहाँ पर भी है आपको. This is how the hall looks and यहाँ से if you walk straight, that's the kitchen. But kitchen से पहले let me show you the common washroom. ये है कॉमन वॉशरूम यहाँ का. दिस कॉमन वॉशरूम इज क्वाइट बिग. यप, वेरी बिग. This guy reminds me of my first fur baby. अगर आप लोग ने मेरा पहला व्लॉग देखा होगा, कोको भी हमेशा मेरे पीछे पीछे ऐसे ही घूमता था. आई मिस यू सो मच कोको, बट दिस कोको हैज़ ऑल्सो गॉट अ लॉट ऑफ लव. एंड कोको बैड बॉय, शी, सॉरी, एक्सक्यूज दैट. एनीवेज, दिस इज़ द वॉशरूम, क्वाइट गुड. ये है हैंड वॉश के लिए. हैंड वॉश के लिए इधर भी है. सो क्वाइट बिग, नाइस, हाइजीन. ओ कोको इज पीइंग इन द वॉशरूम. गुड बॉय, गुड बॉय. कोको को हम लोग अभी भी पी ट्रेन करें. ही इज जस्ट 8 months old. ही इज स्टिल लर्निंग एंड दिस इज द बेस्ट पार्ट दैट ही इज पीइंग इन द वॉशरूम. गुड बॉय. एनीवेज, so let's go ahead. This is the kitchen area. This kitchen area is also quite big. That's how it looks. Fridge, everything is there. And then अगर आप यहाँ से ऊपर जाओगे then there are 2 other bedrooms. So एक नीचे था and 2 ऊपर है. So the moment you come up on the first floor, here you will get 2 rooms. So the first one is this, where my brother and my dad are staying. This is how the room looks. Very basic, but suffices the need. It's spacious. The bed is nice and comfortable. That's the gallery area, but क्योंकि हम लोग रात में शूट करें तो क्लियरली दिखाई नहीं देगा. But let me just still try. Okay. So yeah. This is the gallery area. I've switched on the light and बारिश हो रहा है. The मौसम is so nice. This is how it looks. It's raining. Anyways, so यहाँ पे आपको मिलेगा आपका कबर्ड, अलमीर, and yeah. ये since मेरे भाई का कबर्ड है, so it's all very messy, but please excuse that. So yeah, this is the cupboard section. उसके बाद यहाँ पे है बाथरूम. स्मॉल बट क्लीन एंड हाइजीनिक. दिस इज हाउ द बाथरूम लुक्स लाइक. So this is how the first room looks. Now let's go to the second room,
which is where me, Mama and Brianna are staying.
okay. So this room is so girly because the moment you come in, here is the mirror section. It's a little messy, so please excuse that. And the moment you come here, हम लोग को cupboard section, मतलब ये room में there's a lot of cupboard sections. This is one cupboard. This is so nice. Anyways, and then there is second cupboard जहाँ पे हमारा luggage रखा हुआ है. And Briu's bed. A little messy right now, but yeah. So in this room you will get 2 cupboards. One is this, the other is this, and then यहाँ से लग के है washroom. Washroom area इसका ऐसा है, quite similar to the first washroom. So this is how it looks. Small but quite hygienic. Then here is our bed. This is our princess's bed, Brianna princess. And like I said, ये रूम में बहुत सारे cupboard sections है. This is one more cupboard over here. ये मैंने खोला नहीं अभी तक, but okay. इधर इन्होंने सारा beddings, tissue paper वो सब रखा हुआ है if in case it's needed, but we don't need it. जितना भारी है काफ़ी है. ये एक छोटा सा sitting area बनाया इन्होंने. Then more storage area जहाँ पे हमारा bags, ब्रियू का बैग, मम्मा का बैग, शैम्पू, पाउडर एंड ऑल दैट रखा हुआ है. That's Briu's blanket, dry sheet. So yeah, this is how the second room looks like. Just stepped out to take Blinkit का order, and yes, you get Blinkit also over here. And they have switched on all the lights, so let me just quickly show you how it's looking. Hi Dev. So yeah, लाइट लगने के बाद it looks more प्यारा. And that's Coco. Coco. He doesn't know कि वहाँ पे पानी है. Coco, what is that? What is that? About turn forward much.
He's scared of water.
Scared of water. देव अभी तक पूल में नहीं उतरा ना.
Scared था.
Freezing. फ्रीजिंग वाटर. एक्चुअली ये भी चलता है बट हम लोग ने ऑन नहीं करा बिकॉज नो बडी इज़ यूजिंग द पूल सो अननेसेसरी उसको क्यों ऑन करना है. सो ऐसे वाटर फ्लो होता है एक्चुअली. एंड लुक ये ब्लू लाइट में पानी इज लुकिंग मोर नाइस. समझा. कोको कोको देव इज गोइंग. कोको ही इज गॉन. Vlogging काफ़ी लेट शुरू किया बिकॉज नाउ थिंग्स हैव चेंज सो मच. आई एम अ मदर ऑफ अ ब्यूटिफुल गर्ल. सो व्लॉगिंग करना थोड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है बट आई एम टेकिंग आउट माई टाइम बिकॉज दिस इज़ देव्स फ्रेंड्स विला एंड इसलिए वी थॉट दैट यू नो विल मेक अ व्लॉग. एंड सो फार तो बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है.
Beautiful place, guys. Must visit during this season.
If you're looking for something very budget friendly, so this is the place.
Indeed.
Yes, you can come with your pet. That's the best part. Chalo now, time to drink tea. दुनिया कर रहा है हल्दी and water का drink. मैं करूँगी चाय का drink. It is. So I'm making chai for everyone. I know it's quite heavy, but chai in glass.
The next day.
Good morning. It's finally the day that we're checking out. We're going back home. And उसके पहले मुझे कुछ दिखाना था कि बालकनी से मॉर्निंग में डे टाइम में कैसा दिखता है बिकॉज मैंने कभी नाइट टाइम में शूट किया था. So here it is. This is how it looks in the morning. ऐसा दिखता है ये मॉर्निंग में. प्लस मैंने टेरेस पे नहीं दिखाया था बिकॉज इट वॉज टू डार्क. सो नाउ आई एम क्विकली गोइंग टू शो यू हाउ द टेरेस अप लुक्स लाइक. सो लेट्स गो. So this is the terrace area. It's big. So yeah, we are done. Also मेरे को और एक गैलरी एरिया बताना था जो कि हॉल रूम से कनेक्टेड है. That also I could not show yesterday because obviously it was dark and कुछ दिखाई नहीं देता था. So let me just quickly show you that too. Hi Dev.
What up? Good morning.
हो गया रील बना के.
Oh yes.
कितना बनाया?
Finally, egg. With a lot of takes.
Coco is eating his food with dad. Yeah. So ये है attached और एक balcony हॉल रूम से. यहाँ पे हम लोग ने सिटिंग एरिया सेटअप किया था बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली इट्स रेनिंग एंड दिस इज़ हाउ इट लुक्स. नेचर के इतने क्लोज. टुडे गोइंग बैक होम. चलो बाकी का डिटेल्स आई विल पुट इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बिलो. बाय द वे चार्जेस क्या है?
So guys, if you come here, if you check in on the weekdays, the prices are 8,000. On the weekends, it is 15,000. Okay, but one more thing, one more important thing, there is no food facility out here yet. But you have Swiggy and Zomato, and plus you have a nearby dhaba which makes amazing food. Over that, if you want to use the kitchen to make your own food, yes, you can do that. It will be chargeable because you'll be getting the gas and all the utensils and everything that you need, sugar, salt, everything. It will be chargeable for 1,000 rupees. Okay. So if you're getting your own babies, your pet, your four-legged friend, it is $1,000. Okay, that is again an amount that needs to be taken. And second, the third important thing, in the room that you saw in the video, I believe, the room that you see in the ground floor, you have a projector. If you want to use that, it is again chargeable. That is $1,000. Okay, because that is something which we've invested. So my friend has invested. This is my friend's villa. He's put in a lot of money on this, and trust me, this is a wonderful place. It's nearby. You have medical, you got meat shops nearby, you got vegetable shops. So anything you need, you can make at home, and it is super budget friendly. In case you want to negotiate on the prices, yes, my friend is open. You will have the number in the description. okay, whom to contact, and then you can discuss the details with him. I'm sure he's open to negotiate, and he will go ahead and give you the best deal. Don't worry on that. If not, just comment below in case you need any more deals. Just take my name.
Yeah. His name is Dave, by
Yes.
the way. Yeah.
And please follow me on Instagram as well.
Yeah, if in case you're going after watching this video, and if you contact that person, the owner, please let them know that you have seen Anne Travels with Coco ka vlog, and uske baad we got to know about this villa, so that you can get good deals and good discounts, because it's his friend's villa, so I'm sure he will bargain on that.
Get you the best deal. Don't worry
Yeah.
about that. But do come here. It's good for family and friends. A must visit during the season. I believe this is a good getaway for
Yeah.
everyone and anyone. And yeah, please follow us on Instagram as well, and also on the villa. It's Dostal Villa that I'll again post it on in the description. The link
Yeah, all the links
Do-
will be posted
yeah.
in the
description.
description.
Okay. So
Yeah.
please do like, share, and
Subscribe to our channel.
Do
We
not
have-
forget,
Yeah.
please.
I know we have taken a very long gap. We have started this again and hoping कि ये आगे continue करते रहे हम
Yes,
लोग.
we'll be online and frequent more often. We'll post videos. We won't be gayab anymore.
चलो then it's time to pack up and go. हमारा गाड़ी बाहर खड़ा है already. So yeah, bye.